Last week's oil spill in the San Francisco Bay has been described as one of the worst environmental disasters this decade. It is still unclear who was responsible, the captain, the radar, or the Coast Guard. But in the wake of finger-pointing and a shortage of answers, there wasn't a shortage of volunteers. They're being called guerrilla volunteers, unofficial, untrained citizens who came to volunteer and clean their beach.
I just wanted to see it for myself, and I couldn't believe it. I mean, I think like anything, it's just unbelievable. And you don't even feel like you're making progress. I mean, we've been out for an hour, and it just keeps washing up and keeps washing up.
It is actually illegal for these untrained volunteers to be handling oil on the beach. Without the proper safety gear, they're putting their health at risk. Certified volunteers are trained by professional city officials, require 4-hour training courses, and are restricted to certain parts of beaches. But at Ocean Beach, the oil is spreading onto the shore, and the guerrilla volunteers aren't going to wait around. Joe Hill is helping coordinate volunteers. He says that although they aren't official, they are using the same materials and can utilize more people.
We know what we're doing, and we're working through this methodically, and we're a lot more effective than an official agency can be, just because of all the people we can get rallied very quickly to do the cleanup.
The volunteers were recruited online, and over 300 people have come to help clean. Many local organizations have donated food and all of the various supplies, including the efficient hair mats to blot up oil. So until the EPA comes to take over and clean Ocean Beach, these guerrilla volunteers will be showing up to do their part.
Almost all of the volunteers out here on Ocean Beach today haven't had any kind of professional training. In fact, as you can see behind me, most of the volunteers here came with just garbage bags, some gloves, and a desire to help our environment. Reporting at Ocean Beach in San Francisco, this is Nikki Garcia, State of Events.